Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Salesforce Trailhead. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to access to our Trailhead account. So you can just type trailhead.salesforce.com and then it will take you to your account or at least to the website of Trailhead. And from there, you will need just to create an account. And of course, you can connect either with your Salesforce account, which is your organization uh, account, or you can just log in with your Gmail or other type of login. And after that, you will need just to familiarize on how to use Trailhead. So basically, you have two main things that you can learn from Trailhead. There is the learning path, and there is the community where there are the forums, the communication, or the questions, and anything concerning the community. So you can go to the feed and you can find the community where they are discussing all the things concerning the Salesforce, either the developer way or anything on how to use Salesforce. So from here, let's go back again to our community. And if we click there, we can find some questions or the other people questions and what they seek, etc. And the second thing that you would use Trailhead for is learning Salesforce. So basically, there is this learning path or the trails where you can start learning Salesforce. So from here, we can go to the learning, and here we are on Trailhead, and we can find the trails. And basically, you will need just to go and choose any trail that you would like. So we go to trails, and from here, you can choose any role that you would like to learn for Salesforce. For example, you want to be a developer, you can go to the roles and then go, for example, to a developer, designer, architecture, etc, and then you will find all the trails concerning this path. And from here, you will need just to learn a module by module or trail by trail until you learn all the trail and you will gain a badge. Plus, you will start learning more about Salesforce, and then you can go after that to the career growth, which is the Trail Blazer career marketplace, where you can find some opportunity or Salesforce job opportunities. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.